How do we solve this quadratic equation? It is written in standard form. Try and factor, but it won't factor using integers. So I'll move on to the quadratic formula. A is 1, B is -4, and C is 5. And what is the quadratic formula? It is the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and that's all over 2a. And now let's replace these variables by their replacement values. So it's the opposite of b, which is -4, plus or minus the square root of b, which is -4 squared, minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 5, all over 2 times a is 1. So we have 4 plus or minus the square root of, this is 16 minus 20, and 16 minus 20 is -4, and this is all over 2. Let's start simplifying this. This is 4 plus or minus. Now this is a square root of a negative number. If you did not cover complex numbers, you will want to skip this exercise and go on to the next exercise. But the square root of -4 is 2i, and that's all over 2. And that can be simplified, remember, because there's a common factor of 2 here. I'm left with 2 plus or minus I all over 2. These 2's will cancel, and I have simply 2 plus or minus I. I have two complex number solutions, 2 plus I and 2 minus I.